How to change your location in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add or change your location in Mobile Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Mobile Legends and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, you will enter your profile section. Now, in your profile section, you can see the country flag option. Simply tap on it. And from here, you can choose your preferred country or the one you are currently in. So simply select it and confirm by tapping OK. And also remember that once you have changed your country, you can't change it again for 89 days. As you can see, I have already changed my country. And that's all there is to it. With this, you'll be able to update your country or region. And if you run into any issue, feel free to drop them in a comment below. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.